Hey, to perform factory reset of your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, you can do this by using system settings. So you'll have to navigate into the settings. Now scroll down almost all the way down until you find General Management. Open it. Scroll down one more time and go into the reset. From this, keep scrolling and select Factory Data Reset. As you can see, you are going to remove almost everything from your phone, including all of this settings, accounts, and applications. You have to also remember that you are going to remove your SIM card data, so before the reset I can recommend you to get rid of it from the phone. And next you will have to scroll down all the way down, select Reset, and now just click to delete all. If you log in with your Samsung account, you will have to actually input your password to the Samsung account to confirm that you really want to do this. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.